Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a generations battle for Kite. So yeah, Kite has same Beyblade but for this one, this is a flashback battle. The first battle is gonna be another 4 battle. It's gonna still have Valt and Iger in this, but flashback. So and no expand. So yeah. Best of 3 versus 2. Let's go. One zero. Two zero. Two one. No contact. Two two. Oh god. Okay, 2-2. Let me get the Air Knight. Fucking flew. Okay, 2-2. Next point wins it. Okay, 3-0. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.